Hello everyone! Earlier in the previous video, I shared something really authentic Korean, which is 도깨비. 도깨비. So if you don't remember or you missed the video of 도깨비, please check the link and find out what 도깨비 is like. And today, as the continuous version of the authentic Korean videos, I'd like to introduce these beautiful ladies in Korean folktales. They are called Seon-nyeo. Seon-nyeo. So, Seon-nyeo, sometimes depicted as the daughter of the god of heaven, or they are just lady angels. So, let's have a look at their appearances first. They are considered as the beautiful women. Their skin is usually so white, more white than usual people. I think their hairstyle is so unique. They are always have these rabbit ears like hairstyle. Can you see that? So, look. So their hairstyle is like this. It looks like ears of rabbit. Don't you think? Well, at least in my opinion. And I think their hairstyle look a little bit old-fashioned, but they don't give a change at all. So this is kind of a signal that they are lady angels. And next, let's have a look at this outfit. These clothes look like robe in Western cultures. But this is very silky and most of all feminine and girlish all the time. And this outfit has kind of a function that make ladies fly. So basically, we might think they can fly because they are lady angels, but in one popular Korean folklore stories, when a guy stole her clothes not to go back to heaven, she actually couldn't fly without this outfit. So we have kind of an idea that without this Seon-nyeo clothes, they can't fly. They cannot fly at all. So sometimes this clothes is called 날개옷. 날개옷 literally means wings clothes. Wings clothes. And let's think about why she is in this world. Why she's in people's world. Because she originally belonged to the heaven's world, right? Because there's so many good but poor main characters in Korean folklores. They come to this earth and help them to make their life happier. They appear in a critical moment and figure out the life struggles with superpower. So she's kind of a Korean traditional version of Avengers. But unlike American Avengers, she's not that active as you can expect with her costume big way. Still, she has a superpower to make the poor people happier. So let me summarize. So these beautiful lady angels have this unique type of hairstyle always, which look like ears of rabbit and also old-fashioned. And she wears this robe, silky robe, which look maybe luxurious, much more luxurious compared to what general people wear, hanbok. And she has a superpower, so she came to the earth, especially Korea. She came to Korea and maybe she speaks Korean to help the poor but good person to have a happy life. So, do you find it interesting? Seon-nyeo. Seon-nyeo is my another suggestion for your upcoming Halloween costume. What do you think? Thank you. Thank you for listening for today's story. Bye.